on. No amount of lighting is going to fix this face. Hey Cheap Bitches, I'm Rob and this is On the Cheap Tip, and today is Thursday. And in this video, we are going to learn some weight loss hacks for eating out. As you eat out, when you eat out, it all sounds dirty to me. Now sometimes we go out and splurge a little bit. We may have a date, or we just may not like to cook. And you want to know how to cut back the calories. Now I understand a cheat day, where you go out and eat whatever you want, but it's a cheat day, you know, uno. A lot of people sometimes forget that. You want to go out and eat delicious food, but you also want to cut back a little bit because you want to look good in that bathing suit by the pool. You don't want someone to harpoon your ass. So without talking too much more, let's just get started. Tip number 1, just say no to bread. You may want to eat that freshly baked bread on the table and put a little butter on it. Butter that biscuit. But bread isn't your main course and not really what you're there for. So why even bother with the extra calories and carbs in the bread? Just save that for your meal. I mean, hey, I'm a bread lover. I've got love handles to prove it. But bread's a lot of carbs. Just say no to the bread. Let's move on. Number 2, substitute your drinks. Like instead of soda or sugary drinks, just drink water. Or if you're getting alcoholic drinks, limit it to 1 or 2 or 3 if you're me. Stick to things with less calories like a vodka soda or red wine. Red wine is actually really good for you in weight loss because 1 glass can continue to burn calories for up to 90 minutes. I always choose the red wine. It gets me buzzed and I'm burning calories. What could be better than that? Number 3, dinner sides. We always get a main dish, but then it always comes with something extra on the side. Usually French fries, a baked potato, vegetables, or rice. If you're trying to lose weight, steer away from the French fries, as tempting as they may be, and go more with the vegetables or a brown rice. It's also really great for weight loss. It's going to help your digestive system. It's going to help flush everything out and give you lots of great nutrients that are just better for your body than French fries. Let's just give it up. French fries are just not that good for you. Number 4, stick to grilled food. There's a lot of times where we see that, you know, fried item on the menu and we know that's gonna taste real good. But grilled food could be just as delicious, but way less in calories and saturated fat. So if you stick with the grilled, you still get that delicious food without the guilt. I like grilled better anyway. You get more flavor, real flavor, not just like oil flavor. Number 5, dressing on the side. Now sometimes you may order a salad and think you're being the healthiest bitch in the world. But in reality, all of that dressing that is put onto the salad could sometimes be just as many calories as a regular entree. What I do is order my dressing on the side so I know exactly the amount that I am putting on my salad, and therefore I'm controlling it. Portion control. It's all about portion control, people. Number 6, don't overeat. I have this problem. I may need therapy for it. Doctor, I just see it on my plate and I just want to eat it. I go with the slogan, no food gets left behind. Just because there's more food on your plate doesn't mean that you have to eat it. If your body is telling you that you're full, you should probably stop eating. Just take whatever portion's left home with you, and then you have a delicious meal for another day. What could be better than that? Anyway, that's my whole tip, and I hope that you liked it. And if you did, make sure that you comment down below and let me know. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Hey Cheap Bitches, I'm Rob. Why does my voice sound like that? I sound like I had a night with a pack of cigarettes. Hey Cheap Bitches! I don't know what I'm doing. Today's Thursday, DIY. And today I'm gonna show you, what is that? Popping. Do you hear it? A lot of stuff going on.